Welcome back to Hyderabadi PAKWAAN. Today we will learn how to make chicken grill sandwich. So let's get started. Boil 600 grams of boneless chicken and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated black pepper powder. And mix well for 4 to 5 seconds. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes or until the chicken becomes tender. Once done, shred the chicken pieces and keep it aside. In a non-stick pan, add 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil and add 1 medium-sized onion roughly chopped. Cook the onion for 1 to 2 minutes or until they turn translucent. But don't overcook the onion. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes and add 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. And cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste disappears. And add the boiled and shredded chicken. And also adjust the salt at this stage. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoonful of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. Mix all the spices well and cook on a high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And add 1/2 cup of chopped capsicum. And continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add some coriander leaves. Cook for 1 minute and remove it from the heat. Our filling for the sandwich is ready now. Let's prepare the sandwich now. Take a slice of sandwich bread and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chicken filling. And spread the chicken evenly all over the bread. Add handful of mozzarella cheese or any cheese of your choice and 1 cheese slice. And take another slice of bread and coat one side with butter. Simply place it on the bread and also push it once or twice from the corners and center. In the similar manner, prepare the remaining sandwiches and place them in a preheated griller. If you don't have griller, you can also make it in a non-stick pan, but make sure to apply some weight on the top. Close the griller and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Our grilled sandwich is ready to serve. You can cut them into half. Look how juicy and crispy our grilled sandwiches are. You can serve this with some chips and tomato sauce. Our super easy chicken cheese grilled sandwich is ready to serve. If you find our recipes helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Hyderabadi PAKWAAN. Thank you.